Hello students, I am Chelamaredi. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss concept of determinant of a square matrix. So first 2 by 2 matrices. See here the determinant of the square matrix capital A is equal to A1 B1 A2 B2 is the unique number A1 B2 minus A2 B1. How we got that? A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Whenever you are going to upwards, before that write the negative. Okay. So det A is equal to, what is the formula? A1 B2 minus A2 B1 when they are given A matrix A1 B1 A2 B2. And we can say another method also. If A matrix is A, B, C, D, then determinant of the matrix, what is that? AD minus BC. Remember it. A is equal to A, B, C, D elements of a matrix. Then determinant is AD minus BC. Now I am going to take one example. A matrix for suppose 1, 2, 3, 5. Then what is determinant of matrix? That is equal 1 into 5 minus 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, anyone. 5 minus 6, that value is minus 1. This is determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Next, I am going to explain minor of an element in a square matrix, either determinant or minor element. When we will find whenever the square matrix given. If rectangular matrix given, we can't find determinant and minor of an element as well as cofactors also. Okay. Now see here, minor of an element in a square matrix. How to find minor element? Let A be a square matrix. The minor of an element Aij in A is the determinant of square matrix that remains after deleting the ith row and jth column of A. Minor of an element is denoted by Mij. See here example. For suppose A matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a matrix. Then how to find minor of A11? Minor of A11. Minor of an element A11. How to find? Delete the row and column wherever is there A11. So remaining matrix, observe that what is the det A22, A23, A32, A33. How to expand the determinant? You know very well. Expand A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23. Students, are you understood? AD minus BC. Okay. For suppose you want minor of A32, for suppose A32 element. Where is the A32? Observe that. Where is A32? Here is there. He'll write the one plus symbol, plus symbol. So remaining elements, whatever is there, those elements take the form of determinant. See, A11, A21, A13, A23. Next, how to do the determinant? We know that AD minus BC. That means A11, A23 minus. This is 21 now. A21, A13. Minor of an element is denoted by Mij. That means minor of A11 is M11. Minor of A32 means M32. Students, are you understood now how we are finding the minor element? Which place you want to find minor element? First take that and write the plus symbol. For suppose minor of an element 2, 3. This element I want to find out minor. In place of that, write the plus symbol. Okay. Remaining, what are the elements? These 4. Apply the date. You will get minor of A23. Students, are you understood? Right. So minor, how to find? Completed. Next, cofactor of an element. The cofactor of an element in the ith row and jth column of a matrix is defined as its minor multiplied by a number -1 whole power I plus j. Okay. So minor of an element is, cofactor of an element is denoted by Aij. Aij is the cofactor of small aij. Then cofactor of Aij is equal to -1 whole power I plus j into Mij. This is the definition. Now, how to find? Here already we have completed minor elements. Now I am going to find cofactor. Cofactor of A11. So that means what is the formula? -1 whole power I plus j means 1 into M11. This is okay. -1 whole power 1 plus 1 means -1 whole square, that is M11. Okay. Cofactor of A32. How to find, students? -1 whole power 3, 2, right here, 3 plus 2 into minor of an element A32, that is M32. -1 whole power 5, that is minus M32, like this. Okay. So finally, what I am saying means cofactor, how to find? -1 whole power I plus j into Mij. For suppose here, observe the symbols. A is equal to, this is cofactors I am writing, M11, M12, M13, M21, M32, 22, M23, M31, M32, M33. So I am going to write cofactors of A. Cofactors of A. Here I am written minor element. Then what is cofactor? So we need to add some symbols. Here plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Starts with positive, then write alternative signs. Alternative sign. So here that's why A11 element C minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. That value should be positive M11. M32, where is the 32 here? See, I am written negative. Here, observe that minus 1 whole power 3 plus 2 minus 1 whole power 5. How much we got? Minus or not? Okay. Students, all of you understood now how we are getting the symbols plus, minus, minus, plus like that. Okay. So how to find the minor element, cofactor of an element we are discussed. Right. Next, I'm going to determinant of third order matrix. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix we know very well, AD minus BC. But third order means this is different. See, the determinant of a square matrix is equal to sum of product of the elements of a row with their corresponding cofactors. Cofactors are denoted by capital letters A. So here I am not written cofactors. Plus M11 meaning is A11. Minus M12 meaning is A12. This is A13. Cofactors are denoted by like this. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. These are cofactors of A matrix. Whatever we are taken here, this is. Okay. Now, what is the determinant means? The determinant of a square matrix is equal to sum of product of the elements of a row or column with their corresponding cofactors. For suppose I am taken A matrix, so A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 already is there here. No need to write. Small a1 cofactor, capital A1 or not? A1 into A1 plus here A2 cofactor, capital A2. That's why they are written small a2, capital A2. A3 cofactor, A3, capital A3. They are taken column elements. You can take row also. No problem. Okay. So finally, how to find 3 by 3 matrix determinant? This is the procedure. Already you know very well. So remember it. Delta is equal to A1 and cofactor of A1. The sum and product of the elements of a row with their corresponding cofactors. See A1 plus A2 plus A3 or B1 plus B2 plus B3 or C1 plus C2 plus C3. That means take any row, any column, then their corresponding elements we want to take. Okay, this is determinant of 3 by 3 matrix definition. Now I am going to take one example. A is equal to, take one matrix, that too 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. So I am writing here 1, 4, 2, 2 minus 1, 4, minus 3, 7, 6. Then how to find determinant of a matrix? Det A, that is equal to, now 1 into cofactor of 1. 1 into cofactor of 1. What is cofactor of 1 first? AD minus BC into minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. Okay, so use the formula method or go to general method. Here symbols we are writing plus, minus, plus. Use in this form plus 1 into plus 1 into AD minus BC, minus 1 into 6 minus 6 minus 7 fours are 28. Next, minus 4 into in place of 4 write the plus symbol, remaining whatever is there, those elements do the determinant like this. See, 2 6 are 12 minus 3 into 4 minus 12, that is plus 12. Next, third element plus 2 into how to find? Tell me how to find. Here is 4 now. Now write the plus symbol first. Remaining element 2 into 7 14 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Okay, here already I am written symbols plus minus plus. How we are getting symbols? See, plus minus plus by observing the minus 1 whole power I plus j, we get the symbols. Students, calculate this. How much we get the answer? Minus 34. 24 fours are 96. Here 14 minus 3 11 22. 14 minus 3 11, that is 22. So tell me final answer. Minus 34 plus 22, 8 4 12 minus 12 minus 108 is the answer. Is it correct? Next, here note down the properties. Det A is equal to det of A transpose. Det AB, this is equal to det A into det B or det B into det A, anyone. So note down these properties, students. Det of Ka, K power n into det A, where n is order of the matrix. Here matrix A now, n is order of A. If det is equal to delta is equal to det of Aij is a determinant of order n, then value of the determinant of Aij, where Aij is cofactor of Aij, that is equal to det power n minus 1 given. So that meaning is what? Det of cofactor of A. Cofactor of A. Det of cofactors of A, that is equal to det A whole power n minus 1. This is the formula. Det of cofactors of A, that is equal to det A whole power n minus 1. That is the meaning of this. Okay. Next, fourth point, observe that determinant of nilpotent matrix 0. Determinant of orthogonal matrix 1 or minus 1. 1 or minus 1. Determinant of skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix of odd order is 0. Determinant of Hermitian matrix is purely real. Determinant of triangular matrix is 0. Remember it. Determinant of triangular matrix is 0. Determinant of Hermitian matrix is purely real. Determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order 0. Determinant of orthogonal matrix 1 minus 1. Determinant of nilpotent matrix is 0. Next, singular matrix, singular and non-singular matrix. What is singular matrix means? The determinant of a square matrix is 0. Then the matrix is called singular matrix. Okay. Det to 0. Det A is equal to 0 means singular matrix. Det A not equal to 0 means non-singular matrix. Okay. Take one example. So if you want take a matrix that should be square matrix. For suppose A matrix, I am taking this 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me this is singular or non-singular? First we need to find it, determine it. How to find? 1 into 4, 4 minus 3 into 2, 6. 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2. It is not equal to 0. So not equal to 0 means A matrix is non-singular. Non-singular. Okay. This is first example. I am going to take another example. B matrix. See here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, how to find det B? Determinant of B. Already you know that. What are the symbols here? Plus, minus, plus. Plus 1 into AD minus BC. 1 into 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Next, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Plus 1 into 1 minus 1. That means observe that each and every term we are getting 0. That is equal to 0. Det B value we got 0. So what we will say finally here? B matrix is what? Singular or non-singular? Singular matrix because det to 0. Friends, have understood? Determinant of a square matrix is 0. Then it is called singular matrix. Otherwise, non-singular matrix. Okay. Now here note, these are the important points. A is singular matrix. Then A transpose is also singular. A is non-singular. A transpose is non-singular. If A and B are non-singular matrices of the same type, same order, then product of AB is non-singular of the same type. A and B non-singular matrices of the same type, then the product AB is also non-singular. Okay, right? Next, I am going to important concept, that is adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix of a square matrix. If the elements of a square matrix are replaced by corresponding cofactors, then the transpose of the resulting matrix is called adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint matrix of A is denoted by adj A. That means they will give one matrix. What is adjoint matrix means? Adjoint A, that is equal to cofactors of a matrix whole transpose. First need to find cofactors of the matrix, then apply the transpose. We get adjoint of the matrix. Okay. See here, P1 matrix given. P. Then what is cofactors of P? cofactors of P, that is equal to adjoint matrix. A matrix, there are small letters. Cofactors means we need to write capital letters. Small a1 cofactor, capital A1. Small b1 cofactor, capital B1. Here observe that A1, B1, C1 are cofactors of A1, B1, C1. That means we get cofactors A1, B1, C1. Next, A2, B2, C2. Next, A3, B3, C3. This is cofactors of P, but we need adjoint of P. Adjoint of P is equal to cofactors of a whole transpose. Then apply the transpose. What we get? A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2. See, third row, right in third column. A3, B3, C3. Okay. Cofactors of whole transpose is called adjoint A. Okay. Cofactors, how to find? We know very well. If P is the matrix, adjoint of P, this is. Okay. So how to find adjoint matrix? Cofactors of a whole transpose. How to find cofactors? Already we are discussed. Okay.